Hi, my name is Linda Berg, and I'll be the instructor for the course Neuroscience of the Senses. I'm retired from the Central Intelligence Agency, where I was a scientist working on nuclear-related issues. My background is physics and mathematics, and I have a PhD in physics. So I've always been interested in why people behave the way they do. So once I retired, I started taking courses, neuroscience and psychology courses at George Mason University. And part of the curricula in these courses covered how our senses actually work, which I found pretty fascinating. So you don't really see with your eyes or hear with your ears, smell with your nose, and taste with your mouth. So there are specialized cells and tissues within these sense organs that receive raw stimuli, which is the input from your environment, and they translate them into signals that the nervous system can use. And nerves, which are also called neurons, relay the signals to the brain, which interprets them along with other information such as your previous experiences, etc., as sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. So that this class is, the first class will go over the nervous system, the brain, and the different parts of the brain involved in the various senses, and talk in more detail about the nerve cells, which are the neurons, that carry the information that your sense organs take in, and then they send that to the brain. The subsequent classes will focus on one of the senses. So you actually have more senses beyond the 5 basic ones, which are the sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. We will then cover the auditory system, which is hearing, the visual system, sight, the olfactory system, smell, the gustatory system, which is taste, the somatosensory system, which includes touch, which you're familiar with, but also pain, are feeling pain and temperature. The vestibular system, which involves the balance, and the proprioception, which is your body awareness. So the last class will look at some of the current research questions. During the discussion of the various senses, we will also look at some of the problems that can occur within each and why from a neuroscience perspective, some comparisons to various animals and how their senses are different from humans and why, and just some rather odd issues, such as there's some folks that are able to hear colors and feel sounds and taste shapes, and why that's the case. So I'm looking forward to the class. Thank you.